here we go. In the interest of balance, my 6 reasons to choose a phone for photography. Now, let's dive straight in. There are loads of things that make your life easier, right? Cars, money, computers, your phone's camera. What? Yeah, that's right. I said your phone's camera. For some people, phones are probably the right decision. Yeah. You see, some of us, including me, find technology exciting. I love a gadget. The more buttons, the better. But for some, dials and decisions isn't what they want. For them, their phone camera is just the right thing. It's the perfect answer. So let's have a look why. Now, the first reason to ditch the camera for the phone is that it's full auto. Nothing else on offer here, just auto. There's no menu searching to find auto exposures or auto exposures or auto ISOs, auto white balance, nothing like that. It's just auto, job done. Reason 2 is that while cameras have an EV control to take exposure up and down, the iPhone also has a quick exposure control. It's as easy as holding your finger on the screen for a couple of seconds and a big square appears. And now you can drag your finger up and down and alter the exposure. Reason number 3 is that you're not going to need a personal trainer and a gym subscription to get fit enough to carry it around with you all day. Cameras can be heavy, especially if you're into wildlife photography and you have huge zoom lenses. Your phone is so small, it's so slim, light, and let's face it, you hardly know you're carrying it with you. In fact, most of the time you are carrying it with you. Reason 4 is versatility. And I'm not talking here about the camera's ability to take photos for you, but to share those images almost instantly with the world. I mean, most of us have Facebook or Insta or Twitter or TikTok or whatever floats your boat on your phone already installed as an app. And that image you've just taken can be out on the webosphere in seconds. No need to link cameras up with Bluetooth and get that no devices detecting irritation. No need to download a card onto your computer. Just your captured image sitting in your phone's photo gallery, ready to share. And finally, reason 5 is cost. And I know people are going to be hurling rotten tomatoes at the screen right now, saying a high-end phone is as expensive as a camera, you numpty. What is this guy talking about? But actually, we've got our phones anyway, haven't we? We've already bought them to make phone calls, to do our electronic mail. Who knew that's what email stood for? And in real terms, it's costing nothing. We've already got the phone. You don't need to buy a laptop to manage your images. There are loads of free editing apps. No, for most of us, the cost of shooting with a mobile is going to be, well, zilch, diddly squat. The big bagel, nout, nothing, free. And let me tell you, free is my favourite price. So if you know anybody wanting to enjoy their photography more, but they're not sure how to start, let them know how easy peasy it could be. Shoot on their phone. Thing is, what have they got to lose? Or better still, you could share this video with them. Now, I hope you found that useful. And if you did, please take a second to give me a thumbs up. It really means a lot. And thanks in advance for that. Oh, and a huge thanks to all the subscribers. You are awesome. And if you'd like to make my videos easy to find, just hit the subscribe button below and welcome. So, we've established using your phone for photography is better for some people than shelling out on a camera, right? Well, no, not exactly. Because where it may be the answer for some people, for others, a camera will be the answer all day long. Want to know what a camera offers over a phone for photography? Of course you do. That's why you need to watch this next video. Oh, and when you've watched it, leave me a comment on which one you'd choose.